HPE stock analysis and HPE stock prediction. So in this video, I'm breaking down my exact play and everything with, Hewlett Packard Enterprise stock. Yeah, I'm looking to double down on this. I mean, very simply put, let's go here. I got like 2 longs to this side, and then I had this like hard time from swing that I also did manage to swing itself. So I'm gonna still keep this on the chart like that. And going into this next week, I'm open-minded for more longs. Meaning that, yeah, this is such a great setup. So what I'm saying is that if I see this double break, then there's nothing stopping me from doubling down, buying more. You know what I mean? Like, just my top. I do have a lot of like HPE receipts here. Nah, I'm just waiting for rules. What am I talking about? Like in the Discord, I do have receipts. I don't know if it's a lot, but I do have like 8 results popped up in the trade alert section. But if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.